So everybody put your hands out, just one. I don't care which one. I'm waiting on you. Okay, so let's see. Terrorist. Let's see here. Okay, so terrorists only, and I know who you are. If you aren't a terrorist, I'm gonna disqualify you from the game. Look up. Only terrorists. Only terrorists. Only terrorists. Only terrorists. Okay, everybody look back down. Everybody look down. Okay, now everybody can look up. Everybody's good. Okay, now I'm gonna pick a sheriff.
Sheriff. Oh man.
Pick a sheriff. You'll be sheriff. So your goal is to find out who's the terrorist and who is right who's dead. You only have to say that. I just said that. You can ask them. They might not answer straight away, but I mean, okay. So everybody knows the game. Everybody knows who's who and what's what. Okay. Then you can't question dead people. So don't die. You guys have 15 seconds to find somewhere on the field. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half field. 5.
Can I refill my mag real
7.
quick?
Yeah.
Check out the new gun. How many BBs?
What?
How many BBs?
$10 American per nugget.
Oh, never mind. Fuck that. 10 BBs, right?
10 American nugget.
You can pick a deputy if you want. You just got to be able to know you can trust them. You might pick a terrorist. I forgot who the terrorists were.
Of course you did. So are you over here by yourself? You don't know? Yeah, I just hope I don't get shot in the face. I have a feeling I'm about to get shot in the back. Hmm? No, the sheriff's over there. He hasn't come over and talked to me yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if one of them shoots me in the back.
That's the sheriff. The sheriff can't be a terrorist.
Oh, I mean,
Not that I'm aware of. Oh, by the way, if you're dead, make a really loud noise like you died. So we know you're dead.
If you died, act it out.
Yeah, you gotta act out your death. You don't move around. You fall to the floor and you're dead.
I don't want to break my gun.
No, I mean like.
I'm teasing. I know what you mean.
And you can sit like that for all the day.
Well, I mean,
My knees suck, so I can't do that.
yeah, same with mine. See, I used to work at an airsoft field, so I used to do all this stuff. Except I worked at an airsoft field in California. So yeah, do you want a deputy? Honestly, like, I don't care if you shoot me. Like, honestly, you could shoot me this close with a 500 feet per second gun. I don't care.
Yeah, it's a role-playing game, you know. There's not like a bang-bang unless, you know, you're like real close to that person.
Like this close?
Yeah,
No,
that'd
okay.
be a bang-bang. Like this group right here would bang-bang each other. But like, hey, you got some suspicious activity over here, Sheriff. Well, you have a question. You can't hide. You have a question. You gotta be like, hey, you have violated the law of Skyrim. Yeah, that tower looks pretty sketch. sheriff, you dipstick. You have like 20 people aiming at you. Don't fucking. That's a bad idea. You got all these people staring you down. What is going on over here? What is going on? What is going on? That's a little terroristy to say. That's a, yeah. Why would you say that to the? Why would you say that to the sheriff? That's a little terroristy. Are you Islamic?
I'm his deputy.
Oh, you deputy?
Yeah.
Sheriff trusted him enough to be the deputy, so
Hey, hold up, Blackboard. Deputy, why not he the deputy? Hey, go ahead and move to the left. Go ahead and move to the left. If you don't want to move, you're going to get shot.
I mean, I want to.
dead! Oh no! You gotta act out your death. You gotta act like you died.
No, I ain't that serious, man.
I don't want to.
No, who was it?
You're stuck dead up there. Now, Sheriff, you have the ability to question.
No, he's not.
Is a terrorist or not?
He already asked. He's not.
He's not a terrorist? Oh, well. Hey, everybody. That guy was a civilian. So good fucking job.
I mean, I could kill everyone in there.
Sheriff, you just missed something. You just missed something.
Hold on.
over here.
I know. I think I know exactly who's.
Died over here. What's going on? Oh, no.
Purple shirt.
Oh, no. Is that someone fleeing the scene of a crime? Oh, no. You might want to ask these two people what had happened. It's purple, that ain't blue. The sheriff's right there.
Purple shirt.
We might have found a terrorist, people.
I was just searching through there for you. I was just searching, clearing it, making sure you weren't in a corner.
One terrorist down, people.
Was there another one over there or no?
Oh no! Oh no! Somebody else died. Oh no! What's going on over here? You can ask me what happened. You got shot in the back in the Texas state. Well, let's leave some people out. You got shot in the back and facing this way. So what does that mean?
You think it was him?
No, because he's leaning this way. So I mean, who was? Oh no! Oh no! The sheriff has died. It's all chaos.
He's dead. Are you a terrorist? He's dead. He's dead.
Are you dead? He died. Yeah, he died. Well,
He was a terrorist. You only picked 2, right?
nope.
You picked 3?
I don't know how many I picked. How many do you think I picked?
I think you only picked 2.
I did not. Otherwise, I would have blown that whistle. I would have blown that whistle. Hey, what's going on over here? Hey, because I know. Oh no! Hey, this game is actually right. Yes. And then you used to have a little break laying on the floor.
Oh, my bad. Where the hell did he go? Thank you. Ah! Oh. That sucks.